Hello, beautiful beings. Okay, in the last video, I made a smudge on accident. So I took this butterfly and I cut it out, just like that. And we're gonna cover it here. But I wanted to add some glitter or something to it. I'm gonna show you how to do that. First, our embellishments that we made. I'll put the link down in the description. I want you to take this part like this and find the middle, and I want you to glue it down. This will all make sense in the end. But we're gonna glue it down, and I'm using tacky glue from Alina's. Put a good fair amount on there, and just take it. Find the middle, make sure the bead's above it, glue it down, just like so. And let it dry. And make sure this flips because it's gonna go down here like that. So I'm gonna make sure that bead's not in there, and it's not. And we're just gonna let that set aside and dry. In the meantime, while it's drying, I'm gonna show you how to add glitter to this. But we're gonna need, well, I'm gonna try it with a toothpick. And this is broke off because when we cut it off, scrap off. This is a scrap from the piece we used to make this belly band, which we colored in paint, put paint around. Some of you might not have done it. We're not gonna see that side, so that side don't matter. But anyway, this is a scrap piece, and it's okay that his wing's missing. We're gonna take some Mod Podge, a little container, shake it up, and we're gonna turn, make sure some's in the lid, like so. Put a little bit in there. And we're just gonna take some on our toothpick. And I mean a little bit. And we're gonna go around. Okay, so we're gonna take some glue. I got a phone call right in the middle. And they were yelling into the answer machine. Just a little bit of glue without touching his antennas. You just want it right on the edges like so. Then we're gonna take some glitter and sprinkle. Just want a little glitter in there. We don't want to cover him up. See, we just want a little glitter. Doesn't seem to be going on the other side. I must not put glue in there. Like I said, I got a phone call. Okay. But we did cover this thing, and I didn't want to do that. So I'm going to take another toothpick and wipe that out of there so you can see his antenna a little bit. Like so. Then we're going to keep going over here. Get some on there, like so. And just like try to your best to get it on the edges. Some in there. Get it off. Some more. It's a little munch. Put put that in there like that, right on the edge, all the way around, like so. Just want it on the edges. If you think you got too much, just wipe it off. Just wipe it off. It doesn't matter about the back because we're gluing this down. There. Do want to wipe some off. Hopefully it'll still stick. Just want a little bit of glitter, just to give them a little shimmer. Tap it off. Then when it dries, we can wipe all the extra out. And I'm going to continue. So, some glitter. Shake it off. And now all I gotta do is up here. All the way down, right on the edges. All you need is a tiny bit of glue. Oh. Just knock my glitter over. All right, now we're gonna do this more to cover that ripped wing. There we go. Like so. And there you go. Wait for that to dry. And then just knock all the other, should rub right off.